Hello and welcome to the Sigen Hybrid Inverter Installation Guide video. To begin, it is important to select a suitable installation site in accordance with the requirements outlined in the guide. Required clearance space is also essential. Before installation, please gather all necessary protective equipment, installation tools, and cables. Unpack the inverter and check the items in the package are complete. Please check the corresponding installation instructions according to the received mounting parts. Mark these 3 holes of mounting bracket by using the level. Mark these 2 holes of mounting bracket by using the level, and drill the holes according to the marked positions. After attaching the expansion bolts to the mounting brackets, fix expansion bolts with a hammer and tighten it firmly. Hang the inverter on the mounting bracket and tighten the screws on both sides to secure them together. Attach the protective ground cable. Connect the PV input cables. Please ensure that PV cable polarities are correct and all the cables are securely in place. Connect the AC output cable to the designated terminal. Insert the RS485 signal cable. And the network cables as well. Depending on the communication method, choose to install WLAN antenna or Sigen COM mod. Finally, install the decorative cover and tighten the screws on both sides. Please select the wiring method according to the actual situation and secure the clips. Here completes the installation of the inverter. If you want to connect Sigen battery in the future, please follow the subsequent steps. First, please ensure that the distance between the devices meets the requirements. Locate the mounting holes of the Sigen battery controller. After securing the base, install the battery and place Sigen battery controller on top of the battery. Secure the cascades connecting the base, packs, and battery controller on both sides. Use wall fasteners to secure the battery controller to the wall. Attach the protective ground cable of the battery controller to the inverter. Then, connect the DC cables between the inverter and the battery controller. Connect the communication cable with one end plugged into the battery controller and the other end into the inverter. Finally, attach the decorative covers on both sides, starting from the bottom and moving upwards. When battery installed together with the inverter, the system is created together. Click Add System to create a new station. When adding battery to an existing inverter, click the power station name. More, post-sales service to complete the addition.